In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journal entries in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to navigate, what to enter, and how to save a clean, balanced journal entry that keeps your books accurate. Begin on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your overall financial picture. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has accounting permissions, since posting journals typically requires admin or accountant access. From the left-hand navigation, open the Accountant section. This area groups all the tools you use to manage your general ledger. Inside, select Manual Journals. Here you'll see a list of any existing journals, along with filters and sorting options, so you can quickly review past entries or drafts. To create a new one, click the New button. This opens a fresh journal entry form. At the top, choose the journal date. Use the actual accounting date you want the transaction to affect, not necessarily today's date. If you use a numbering system, add a reference number. This is helpful for audits and future searches. You can also add a brief note describing why you're making this entry. For example, accrue utilities or reclassify expense. Clear descriptions make reviews much easier. Now add your lines. For each line, select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts and enter either a debit or a credit amount. Remember, journals in Zoho Books are based on double entry accounting, so the total debits must equal the total credits before you can save. A simple example would be debiting an expense account and crediting accounts payable for an accrual. If you operate with multiple currencies, confirm the currency and exchange rate are correct for the date of the entry. If your organization tracks reporting tags or cost centers, apply them on each line so reports stay accurate. Continue adding lines until the journal reflects exactly what you need. Keep an eye on the running totals. Zoho Books will show you if you're out of balance. You can also attach supporting documents, like statements or worksheets, to the journal for easy reference later. When everything looks right and the debits equal the credits, click Save. Zoho Books will validate the entry and post it to your general ledger. After saving, you'll return to the Manual Journals list, where you can view the entry, make edits if needed, or use it as a reference for future journals. That's it. From the dashboard, into Accountant, into Manual Journals, click New, fill in the details carefully, and save. With a clear description, correct accounts, and balanced amounts, your journal entries in Zoho Books will be accurate and audit ready.